What's going on YouTube? It's your boy J Ford and we back with another one. Man, it's a hot one already. You can tell, man. Look, I'm already sweating. And man, we got me and the old lady. We just got done doing some little bit of yard work, putting down the mulch and stuff. Got the dog here. Look at her. Look at that. Look who pulling up. Yo.
What's up, boy?
What up, dog?
Nice, man. Chilling, bro.
You ready to get this shit rolling?
For sure.
Alright, let's get it.
It's Albert Huggins here, you know what I'm saying? Doing a little review of my truck, you feel me? 2021 Trailboss LT, 6.2 liter. So, I mean, the first thing that I did was blacked out all the emblems and stuff. Z71 badge, 6.2 liter. Put a bullet antenna on there, Alpha Defense bullet antenna. So, we got a 6-inch rough country lift. It came with a 2-inch lift on it already. That's how Trailbosses come. So essentially, they put a 4-inch lift on here. So essentially, comes to 6. I got 35 by 13.5 Toyo all-terrain tires with a 20 by 12 field wheel. Let's see what else I did. I changed out the exhaust. I changed out the muffler, and then did a resonator delete and added my own quad tips.
Let's hear it real quick.
All right, I got you.
Okay.
Something slight, you know what I'm saying? I wanted something subtle. I had a 2017 Silverado, and it was a little too much for me, so I went with a subtle approach. Changed out the Trailboss sign, put a bigger one on there.
Okay.
And then I changed out all the trim, like I said. Put in the Chevrolet, changed out the decals, put them all black. I mean, that's pretty much it. On the outside, under the engine, put a cold air intake on there, and put a fuel catch can, just for like the longevity of the engine. And then like on the inside, go around this way. On the inside, oh man, put a Starlight roof in here. Looks pretty good.
Yeah, that shit look good.
Yeah.
So tell everybody how you didn't want to lift your truck, but I convinced you to lift it.
Yeah, you did convince me. I thought about like putting a leveling kit on here, and instead I put a 6-inch lift on here. I mean, I like it. Like I said, it's a rough country 6-inch lift. I like it, man. It's smooth, you know what I'm saying? It rides good. You know what I'm saying? Ride like a Cadillac, you feel me? But nah, I like it a lot, man. I'm like, it's good.
What's up? So did they who installed the lift?
A place called Southern Tires in Georgia. Went up there one weekend, got it done in the same day. Dropped it off in the morning like 8, and then picked it up at like what, maybe like 3 or 4, 5 in the afternoon.
Yeah, so I'm really asking these questions like I don't already know.
Yeah,
I'm trying to give the people a different perspective.
Nah, you good, yeah. So I mean, I picked it up one day, kept it pushing, man. So, you know what I'm saying? We can go blue. You know what I'm saying? Brighten it up, you feel me?
How many stars you got in?
1,000.
Woo!
1,000, man.
It been hard. I wonder if I can put this in my truck. But you know I got the panoramic sunroof. I don't know. And these Toyo tires, you don't hear nothing.
I'm about to say you only hear a little bit like once you get like past 80, you'll start to hear them whine a little bit, but once you pass like maybe like 85, bro, you don't even hear them no more. So it's just like.
Why you going 85, bro?
I got 6.2 liter, bro. I'm sorry I don't got a 5.0.
Nah, that 5.0. Yeah, so man, that's all we pretty much got for you. We want to get a quick review over my boy Albert truck. But in this video, make sure you go follow Albert. What's your truck Instagram?
Truck Instagram, Ultimate Z71.
Say that one more time.
Ultimate Z71.
Yes, sir. Make sure y'all follow his Instagram page. And go ahead and hit like and subscribe on this video. Let me know if y'all want to see anything else. We'll get back with y'all on another video.